watching. My neck is flossy, make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Felicia Renee, and of course, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Also, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another video from me. So as you guys can see by the title, today we're going to be reviewing the new Fenty concealers and also the powder. I picked up two shades. I have my highlight shade, which is in the shade 350, and then I have my contour shade I just picked up for 70. And then the powder, I picked up the shade Banana, which I absolutely love this packaging. I'm not going to spoil it right now. You guys just stay tuned to the video so you can see my thoughts and my first impressions on the concealer as well as the powder. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so let's just go ahead, jump right into things. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face since the Fenty foundation, it is like very matte. So I'm just going to place just a little bit. I just squirt this all on my forehead. I'm using my Clinique Dramatically Different, the hydrating jelly. I love this one because it's like water. It's a water-based jelly, but it leaves your skin like smooth and hydrated without it like being super oily. So I'm just gonna blend that all over. Okay, so I'm just gonna I'm going to use my Fenty, the Pro Filter primer. Okay, so moving on to foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 350, of course. Now, I already used this on my channel before. I love it. It is, like I said, matte and it's full coverage. So I'm probably like going to speed past this because you guys seen me use this before. And just to blend that in, I'm going to use my NYX number 22 brush. I'm going to contour my face first, and I'm going to use the shade 470. I thought it said mocha. It's the shade 470, and I was going to get 460, but I think 460 was a little bit too light for me. I kind of like my contour just a little dark, and I like this undertone, so that's the reason why I got this one. And I'm not going to put a lot because it seems pretty pigmented. And I don't want to, like, you can always add more. I don't want to, like, overdo it right now. So, to blend this out, I'm going to use my e.l.f. small stippling brush and go ahead and just blend this out. Excited about trying this concealer out though. Like, I know that was concealer, but the highlight shade. Okay, I think that should be good. My cheekbones is low-key looking snatched though, looking like a snack. Okay, I quit. Okay, so what am I doing next? Let me close this up before I'm making a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with the highlight shade, and I picked up the shade 350, and my foundation is in the shade 350 as well. So I believe like every foundation has a corresponding concealer shade. So both of them are $3.50, but the concealer, of course, is going to be a little bit lighter. You can go lighter if you want to. I guess it's really up to you what you want to do, but I just chose $3.50, which is my foundation shade. And they say a little goes a long way, so we're going to kind of test it out. I'm only dipping it this the first time, and I'm going to just try to like see how much comes out with that one swipe. Well, let me find out though. This seems like some full coverage. Like that's just one swipe, one side. Oh! Same applicator. Didn't dip it twice. Wow. Okay. So this is what I was excited about. Like, I'm geeked. This may be my new favorite. That is a lot. Okay, I know I'm dramatic, but let me go ahead and just put this down the sides of my nose. But this right here. Ooh, let me find out. I'm finna be excited for real. Y'all know I love a good concealer. So I can have these designer bags. I'm not dipping it all the way. I'm just taking what was kind of like towards the top so I can blend it out. Okay, let me go ahead and blend that out because we done learned our lesson from that contour shade. But so far it seems pretty creamy. The consistency seems pretty nice. I'm gonna take my beauty blender sponge, go ahead and just blend this out. Okay, y'all, so I love it. Okay, I'm excited. First we got to see how this powder gonna set. So I picked up the shade Banana, and the packaging just looks like this, which you guys know I love Fenty's packaging. It's just always so sleek, so sexy. It's just very like aesthetically pleasing, and I just love it. Like, it seems like you get a pretty decent amount. I just love the shape of it, the shininess. I just love it, you guys. So anyways, let me go ahead and we're gonna open this up. I think we gotta take this little part out. So when you open it up, it does have like little paper in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like the FB, the initials in there. So you just want to take this powder out, and I'm just gonna put that to the side. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little bit into the cap. Okay, so right off bat, I know it looks pretty light on camera. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Is it showing up because the light? Hold on. Sorry, y'all. We got interrupted because my husband called. But anyways, I'm going to take my other beauty blender, and I'm just going to tap into the cap. And we're going to see how this powder is going to work. I really got high hopes for this. I'm just like tapping whatever like remaining portion in the cap. And wow. Okay, a little bit definitely goes a long way now. Ooh. Okay, so this definitely smells good. It smells like a sweet aroma. I don't know. It smells so good. And as you can see, I'm still using this same little dab that I just did. Like, it seems pretty finely me. I'm sorry I keep smelling this. It smells so delicious to me. But yes, this powder you don't need a lot. Like, you can just blend this. I hope I didn't like go overboard and I don't want it to look like cakey. This powder smells so good. I'm sorry, I'm gonna keep saying it. It smells delicious. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tap a little bit more because I want to bake the sides of my nose. Okay, so let me put this up. Okay, I love this powder. We already know that. This is going to definitely be my new favorite powder. Let me see. I want to see how it is once I wipe it off. That's going to be the test. I hope it doesn't like look ashy. Okay, so I'm just going to take my, this is my Juno Cosmetics brush, and I'm just dusting it off. Okay, so I'm gonna finish dusting this off my face. I'm gonna go ahead, finish up the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So give me a second. Okay, guys, so I'm back. This is the final look. I just added like a contour powder and then some blush, and then the highlight. The highlight that I'm using is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Me, Money, and Hustle Baby. And then my lips, I have on Max Cork, and I have the Diamond Milk, the Fenty Beauty lip balm. This is so wonderful. It smells so delicious. Smell like candy. Makes me want to lick it. But anyways, I love it. And just to kind of give you guys my final thoughts on everything, I absolutely love it. I feel like it's looking better and better. Like after I set everything, I use my Morphe setting spray. But I do love it. I know we kind of had some trouble with the contour shade, but I would just say blend it out as soon as you put it down. But other than that, I absolutely love everything. The powder, I feel like my skin looks really good. It's full coverage. I don't really have any complaints. The powder is going to be my holy grail. The concealer, the highlight shade is definitely going to be a part of my staple collection. I love everything, and I thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, definitely leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.